Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix incoming calls not showing on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. So I have opened my Android mobile phone, and first of all we need to go to the phone application. We can tap and hold on this application and click on this icon to get app information. Okay, and here you have to make sure that the notifications are allowed, so you will get incoming calls a notification on your Android mobile phone. You just need to click on the notification and activate the notification. And the second method you can try is deleting the app data and the app cache. You can go to the storage and click on clear cache and clear data. Okay, and then I recommend you to go to your setting, and you have to go to the notification setting and make sure that the do not disturb mode has been turned off, just like so. So you will get the incoming calls notification on your Android mobile phone. Alright guys, and that's all the way to fix incoming calls not showing on Android mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.